Tower of Babel. A long time ago, after the Great Flood, all the people in the world spoke the same language. They could understand each other perfectly, which made it easy for them to work together. They lived in a place called Shinar, and they had a big idea. One day, the people said to each other, "Let's build a huge city and a tall tower that reaches the sky. We can make a name for ourselves and show everyone how great we are." They thought that if they built this tower, they could be famous and not be scattered all over the earth. So the people gathered bricks and tar to build their tower. They worked hard and built the tower higher and higher. As they built, they became very proud of what they were doing. They wanted to be like God and thought they could do anything without Him. But God saw what they were doing and was not happy. He knew that if the people kept working together without Him, they might try to do even more things that were wrong. So God decided to stop them. God came down to see the city and the tower they were building. He said, "Look, they are one people, with one language, and they are working together. Nothing will be impossible for them. I must confuse their language so they won't understand each other anymore." Suddenly, God made it so that the people started speaking different languages. One person would ask for a brick, and another person would bring a shovel instead. Because they didn't understand each other, the workers became very confused and frustrated. Because they couldn't understand each other, they couldn't work together anymore. They had to stop building the tower. Soon, they left the city and spread out across the earth, speaking different languages. The city was called Babel, which means confusion, because that's what happened there. The story of the Tower of Babel teaches us that we should not try to be greater than God or do things just to show off.